everyone, it's me again. How are you all doing today?
Thank you for tuning in. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you.
Today we are going to open a package. I ordered this package from Amazon. Well, the story is I put this in my husband's cart, and later on when he checked it, the price was marked down way too low. So he ordered it. So let's open it. As you can see, the seller is very creative. See the creativity of this seller? It's a cardboard box, and then he just cut it and paste them together. Hello. Hopefully it's in good condition. It's hot. Oh, there you go. There's my order. It's Great Garden Formulas. I bought this because I will use this in the Philippines. I know everything is in YouTube. I know everything is in YouTube nowadays. Everything is online. But I'm still a bookish person. I still want to just take it with me. What if I don't have my phone? I have the book. What if I don't have internet connection? So I have a book. And here, it's in a very good condition. I bought it, like it says there, it's used, but it's in a good condition. So it is really in a good condition. It's just a little scratch there. It's a little nick there, but it's good. It's a perfect buy. Its original price is $27.95. That's the Canada price. And this is from Michigan. It's Lakeside Brooks, Michigan. So there you are, by Joan, Benjamin, and Deborah. By Joan, Benjamin, and Deborah Martin. They are the editors. Great Garden Formulas, the ultimate book of mix-it-yourself concoctions for your garden. So these are the mix. So there, these are formulas to do concoctions. Example here is, look, dry weather compost and wet weather compost. So this is very useful since we will be gardening. We will be farming in the Philippines. So that's it for today. The book is in a good condition. Thank you very much, because they are really telling the truth that the book is in a good condition even if it's used. So maybe they're a very good seller, honest seller. It looks like there's a price tag here, but they took it off. So thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget, tweet like, comment nicely, share, and subscribe. Bye bye. God bless you all.